Hi, and welcome to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. This week, you're going to learn everything that you need to know about the brand new Stitch Along for Christmas 2025, Hello Holly. You may be asking yourself, what is a Stitch Along? A Stitch Along is a project that is done by a bunch of people all together working at the same pace, and in the case of a mystery Stitch Along like this one, without having seen the entire project beforehand. So everybody learns about it a little bit at a time. Now the Hello Holly Stitch Along was designed by our fearless leader and founder here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, Sally Wilson. This one will be in 6 parts, released 2 weeks apart, with the final part coming out on December 1st, so you'll have enough time to get it finished before Christmas. But by the time I get this video on the YouTube channel, it will already be available for pre-order. So if you're watching this video, it means that you can go right now to the link in the description and join the Mystery Stitch Along. Even if you're seeing this a little bit late and it's already started, it's not too late to join. Follow that link down there in the description to get your kit and you can join in as well. This pattern is designed to be suitable for both beginners and experienced stitchers. It uses clever use of color and shape in order to create a lot of detail. It doesn't use any specialty stitches like French knots or fractional stitches or all those weird things that I spend most of my time on this channel trying to teach you how to do. You won't need any of that for this project. You'll only need to know how to do full cross stitches. So it'll be a very nice, relaxing stitch that you can do at your own pace and still be able to keep up. Now, Caterpillar Cross Stitch's founder and lead designer Sally and I actually have a pretty similar story for how we wound up in cross stitch as a job. She was on maternity leave from her job as a solicitor, and I had just quit my job in a dying industry. And both of us decided to kind of invest some time in our hobby and see if we could make some more of it. She founded Caterpillar Cross Stitch and I started making YouTube videos. Eventually, she reached out to me and asked me to start hosting the Caterpillar Cross Stitch channel. So that's how we sort of both got into this business. She's been releasing patterns under the Caterpillar Cross Stitch brand for nearly 10 years at this point. If you want to see some examples of her design work, there's a link in the description and I'll pin it in the first comment as well for you be able to sign up for the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Stitch Club newsletter. As soon as you sign up, you'll get an email with a link to download 10 free PDF cross stitch patterns worth £60. And those will give you a kind of idea of the style and quality of the patterns that come from Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Plus, if you're seeing this late, sign up for that newsletter so that you get advance notice of future stitch-alongs as well as any other exciting projects from Caterpillar like retreats and socials. Well, how's this mystery stitch-along going to work? Well, first thing, you're going to go and sign up for the stitch-along at the link in the description, and then starting September 22nd and every 2 weeks thereafter until December 1st, you'll get a PDF pattern in your inbox. That pattern will include a portion of the overall stitch-along design pattern. You'll get 6 different pattern drops and you'll stitch each of those as you go along, keeping up with other stitchers. And you can choose your level of participation, whether you want to get just the PDF pattern or whether you want to get the ultimate kit. If you want to buy the kits, then you don't have to worry about picking fabric or buying floss. It'll all come to your door. And each of those patterns is designed to be completed within the time frame before the next one, so you don't have to worry about falling behind and getting stressed out. This is supposed to be relaxing and fun, and it's designed in order to keep that in mind for you. And doing the pattern this way keeps it fun, keeps it exciting, it helps you maintain momentum and keeps it from being overwhelming, and also creates a fun social atmosphere with all the other people who are working on the project. And again, the link to pre-order, or to order if you're watching this video late, is in the description box for this video. And I strongly encourage you to get your order in early. So especially if you're ordering a kit, you can have all of your supplies in your lap and ready to go the moment that first pattern drops on September 22nd. And then that last pattern will be released in plenty of time for you to get this finished and either on display or gifted by Christmas. If you're new to stitch-alongs or if you've had a bad experience with other ones before, you don't have to worry about any of that with Caterpillar Cross Stitch. We've been doing these since 2017. This is the 27th stitch-along that Caterpillar has led. So any of the problems that you might get with a less experienced stitch-along designer and releaser, none of that's going to be an issue with Hello Holly. As far as the content of the Hello Holly stitch-along, it's designed to celebrate the warmth and joy of the Christmas season. And the motifs, materials, and accessories are all selected with that in mind to bring festive cheer to life one stitch at a time. Now, Christmas is a very popular time of the year for crafters and especially for cross-stitchers, and everybody at Caterpillar Cross Stitch is no exception. It's also a time when excitement is really starting to build at Caterpillar Cross Stitch because that's when we start working on the annual Advent calendar. Now, this year's Advent calendar does still have very limited stock available, so hit the link in the description if you want to get one of the last few signups for that. So what do you get when you sign up for the Hello Holly Stitch Along? The first thing you'll get is a full, easy-to-follow, step-by-step color instructions. You'll also receive your patterns in a PDF format on the release day at noon each day. Those will be in color and or black and white, whichever you prefer to use, and you can either print those out or you can use them digitally, which will allow you to zoom in, mark your progress, that kind of stuff. If you signed up for the kit, you're also going to get 14 colors of genuine DMC floss. DMC is the gold standard of embroidery floss, in my opinion. You get a much more consistent color and quality and a beautiful sheen that cheaper flosses don't get. And some kits that you find online will use a cheaper floss than DMC. Caterpillar doesn't mess around with any of that. You'll also be confident that you have plenty of each color because they think about how much you might possibly use, add a little bit for margin for error, and then throw a little bit more in just for funsies. So you don't have to worry about anything. Your kit is also going to include genuine Spike Art, which is the top tier quality brand of cross-stitching fabric of your chosen fabric count. You'll be able to choose from 14 count Aida, 18 count Aida, or 28 count even weave, depending on which you like to work with and how big you want the project to end up. If you are a beginner, I would recommend choosing the 14 count Aida option when you buy your kit. They will also include a top quality needle, and they have really nice smooth action and a well-manufactured eye that won't cut up your floss or your fabric like some other needles might. Plus, your floss will come on these two pre-sorted cardboard floss holders. These are really well designed by stitchers for stitchers. They have a little slot over here in the edge that will hold the end of your thread so it's not coming untangled. They also have these little drop holes here that you can put your in-use strands of to keep them from floating around and getting lost too. You just slip it through there and hitch it on and it holds all of your floss for you, keeps it organized, and makes it easy to keep stitching. These are really nice. And each kit is lovingly hand-packaged in Warwickshire, England, and has information on the back showing all the contents of it, as well as information about how big the project is going to end up. But you get to choose the level of kit that you want. If you don't want to get a kit at all and want to handle getting all the supplies yourself, you can sign up for the PDF-only version of the Stitch Along. The standard kit includes everything that I've just mentioned. There's also the option to get the premium kit, which, in addition to everything that I've just mentioned, will include the beautiful premium and thematically matching needle minder. Now, I actually have not even taken a look at this yet since they sent it to me, so let's pull it out here and take a look. So it looks pretty much like it does on the package. It's a really nice gold brassy looking color. It's a hard enamel, which is really durable material, and they have really nice strong magnets. I've also noticed in the last couple of Caterpillar needle minders that I've gotten that they've made a slight change to them and made them even better without really even bragging that much about it. Most needle minders that you'll see on the market are just a magnet glued to the back of a pin that's had the pin cut off. These are actually, as you can see, specially built as needle minders. They have a little ring around that holds the magnet in there. There's to keep the magnet more securely attached to the back of the needle minder. And one thing that sets the Caterpillar needle minders apart is the strength of the magnet that they use. The magnet is very strong and you don't ever have to worry about your needle falling off or getting lost, or your needle minder getting brushed off of the surface of your fabric. This is a very strong magnet that stays securely where it should. But to get the most value from your kit bundle discount, you're going to want to get the Ultimate Kit. The Ultimate Kit, in addition to those things, includes this beautiful project bag with matching themes that will coordinate with the project. There's a really nice zippered project pouch that will hold the whole project really nicely. It's printed in matching motifs and designs to go along with the project to just bring out that whole festive experience of everything all coordinating and matching. It also has just a really nice quality zipper. This thing is smooth as butter. I realize that's a really dorky thing to get excited about, but I really enjoy a quality when I'm in an area where you wouldn't necessarily expect it. That is a nice zipper right there. I appreciate the fact that it's got a zipper pull. It makes it a little easier to get a hold of. But you can see, like, I barely have to touch that to get that to move. It's just really smooth and nice. The needle minders in most cases are available individually and separately, and there are dozens of needle minders on the Caterpillar Cross Stitch website that you can choose from so that you can have multiple different ones for different projects going. They all have those really strong high quality magnets. They're all the really nice hard enamel. They're quality unmatched by anybody else on the market, and they have a solid 5-star review rating. One of the benefits of doing a stitch along with Caterpillar Cross Stitch is the level of support that you get. You can email customer support at support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com at any time with any issue that you might have, difficulty reading the pattern, not understanding something that says, issue with the materials that you received, anything like that. Plus, there's the Facebook group. The Caterpillar Cross Stitch Facebook group has 25,000 members. I keep having to rewrite this section because the membership keeps growing. There's 25,000 members. An amazing, supportive, wonderful, and creative community, and most of the action regarding this stitch along will be happening there. But that community aspect is one of the most appealing things about a stitch along for me. Another great thing about Caterpillar Cross Stitch is what you're already looking at, the YouTube channel here. We have over 350 videos covering everything from basic stitching to advanced methods for finishing, washing, and ironing your projects. So you have all of that information available at your fingertips, including over 100 videos hosted by yours truly. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get the most out of that. A stitch along also makes a really amazing gift, whether finished or unfinished. If there's someone that you think it would be fun to stitch along with, you can order a second for them and we'll include a gift note in the shipment at no extra cost. We're so certain that you will love everything in this stitch along kit that we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. I don't know of any other cross-stitch designer that guarantees your satisfaction like that. We do ship all over the world. We do recommend that you opt for signature and tracking when you do that. And cross-stitch is such a fun and relaxing activity. I don't know about anybody else, but for me, it really helps my mental health as far as managing my moods, and especially as far as managing my ADHD. You wouldn't think that that would be a good combination, but the kind of calming and meditative nature of cross-stitch has just proven to be a real balm for my own mental health. And there's a lot of research that shows that crafting and creativity are among the best things that you can do for your own state of mind. Another great reason to participate in a stitch along with Caterpillar Cross Stitch is that we are so well reviewed and so trusted. Check out some of these reviews from Trustpilot. Some of the over 740 positive reviews of Caterpillar Cross Stitch on Trustpilot. It's also really nice to be able to have a craft that's easy to start and stop and to do in small sessions and small amounts that doesn't require a lot of setup and a lot of takedown and a lot of cleanup afterwards. That's one of the things I love most about cross stitch, is that I can just do it at my own pace. It's so calming and so meditative. If you haven't ever tried it before, this would be a really excellent starting point, because you'll also have a bunch of other people who are doing the exact same project at the same pace and at the same time as you, to help, one, keep you motivated, but two, to be available to ask questions or to seek inspiration for display options and that kind of stuff. And so joining a stitch along and doing this project at the same time as thousands of other stitchers is a really great way to be able to build a strong sense of community, which is also really valuable for your mental health. We even have a special hashtag for participants in the Hello Holly Stitch Along, and it is, as you might have guessed, hashtag Hello Holly SAL. So when you post your progress pictures anywhere on social media, use that tag and follow that tag so that you can see other people's pictures and posts as well. So head on over to the link in the description, sign up for the Hello Holly Stitch Along, get your order in early so that you can make sure that your kit and your supplies are all there on hand. You can do what I do, which is every couple days until the first pattern releases, get them out, pet them, admire the quality, dream about getting started on the project, and get excited for the upcoming holiday season. That is all I have for you this week. I do want to thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to get started on Hello Holly with you. For Caterpillar Cross Stitch, my name is Ford, and I will see you next week.